Hello everyone, Grandma here. Today I'm making another Great Depression recipe, and this is for a basic salad dressing. This is a basic salad dressing that people would use on their lettuce or tomato salad. There's no oil in this salad dressing. Instead, we're using heavy cream. We're also using lemon juice, but you could use vinegar. So I have a half a cup of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons sugar, and the juice of a half of a lemon. And all I'm going to do is mix everything together. This is very easy and simple. So now I'm adding the sugar to the heavy cream, and then I'm adding the lemon juice. And now I'll give everything a good stir. So this is very, as you can see, simple and easy to make. Now you have to stir it well so the sugar is all dissolved. And if you're wondering where the people got the heavy cream, you have to remember that milk was not homogenized. When the milkman delivered the milk, there was a layer of heavy cream on top. So this is it, and I have it stirred really well. The sugar is stirred in, and so this is how easy this salad dressing is to make. Nowadays, people like to add all kinds of herbs and seasonings. Years ago, they ate this plain, but this might be how ranch dressing was originated. If you add herbs and seasonings, you pretty much have ranch dressing. I have Grandpa's lettuce salad here, but look how thick the dressing got. It's amazing how it thickened up. You can also add salt and pepper to it. Now we're gonna see if Grandpa's gonna like this. So we're gonna just drizzle a little on with the spoon. I think by adding the lemon to the heavy cream, it made like a sour cream. Because you see how thick it is. How's it taste, Grandpa?
I'll let you know in a minute, Ma. What do we got here? Looks like some lettuce and some type of creamy substance spread all over. Tastes good so far, but I can't make out what this creamy stuff is. Some watered down cream cheese or something?
It's salad dressing.
All right, well, how'd you make it?
Did you taste any ingredients in the salad dressing?
Cream cheese and lemon.
Well, you got the lemon right, but there's no cream cheese in here.
Not mayo.
No, not mayo either.
It tastes good.
I'm glad you like it. It's heavy cream. Heavy cream, lemon, and sugar. I'll give you a little more. So now you really have a lot, so you could tell. I don't know, to me it tastes delicious.
It's got a sweet flavor to it with the lemon, but the same.
And the sugar.
And the sugar.
And you know what the heavy cream is.
Well, doesn't taste like heavy cream to me.
Does it taste like sour cream?
It's thinner than sour cream.
Well, it's very good. This is delicious. And you know what? This might be nice if you put it over berries, and it almost would be like a dessert because it has the sweetness and the heavy cream flavor, and the sugar makes it nice and sweet.
Yeah, put it over strawberries, blueberries, raspberries.
Yes. And it would also be nice on cucumbers. So now I know why they call this a basic salad dressing. It's very versatile.
Very good.
And actually, this dressing is much better than buying the ranch dressing already prepared in the stores, because the ranch dressing is full of chemical. This has no chemicals.
Thank you, Ma.
You're welcome, Pa.